let's continue PySpark for AWS data engineering. In this, let's continue what are different PySpark runtime environments. Let's say we developed PySpark application using any one of these components or combination of these components. Let's say I developed program one dot py using any one of this component or combination of all these components. Let's say we developed an application. Once we develop this application, where we are going to run? First one thing. Let's say this is my developer mission. This is my developer mission. In this developer mission, we are going to install PySpark. We are going to install PySpark. Okay, then we will write PySpark program. We will write a PySpark program, program1 dot py, program1 dot py. Then we will run this PySpark program on local runtime environment. First we will run our PySpark program on this local environment. Once this program executed successfully, then we are going to deploy this PySpark program on PySpark standalone cluster or Yarn cluster or Mesos cluster or Kubernetes cluster. Okay, let me explain. So let's say we will create a PySpark standalone cluster. We will create PySpark standalone cluster with master-slave architecture. We will create maybe on-premise or any cloud. We will create this one and we will deploy our program into this cluster. Or let's say we have already Hadoop cluster. Assume our organization having Hadoop cluster. Then here we have Yarn architecture. Hadoop having a cluster called Yarn. In this also we can deploy our PySpark applications. Or Apache provides one more architecture called Mesos cluster. Mesos software. Using that, you can create a cluster. You can deploy your applications on Mesos cluster. Or nowadays, most popular is Kubernetes cluster. Using Kubernetes, you can create a parts. In that parts, you can install PySpark software, Kubernetes cluster, and then deploy your applications into Kubernetes cluster. Once PySpark programs developed, tested into local environment. Once the development is completed, where we are going to run our PySpark applications is on PySpark standalone cluster or Yarn cluster or Mesos cluster or Kubernetes cluster team. Clear writing? What are PySpark runtime environments? Let's say this is my developer mission. In this developer mission, I tested PySpark on local PySpark software. Okay, this is my program1 dot py. Program1 dot py. In this cluster, they will create one client mission. They give access of this client mission. We connect this client mission using any SSH client like Putty. Through the Putty, we will connect and we are going to deploy this program into client mission. Here we are going to submit PySpark application to this cluster. Similar way, other environments. Every cluster provides client mission. We will connect to that client mission. We will deploy our PySpark program and we will run our PySpark program. These clusters supported up to now supported PySpark runtime environments are PySpark standalone cluster, Yarn cluster means Hadoop cluster, Mesos cluster, and Kubernetes cluster. These are different runtime environments to run our PySpark applications. Initially, in developer mission, we will develop and test in local PySpark runtime environment. Once execution is completed, we are going to deploy our PySpark applications on any one of these clusters. Okay.